NCRI conference calls for action to save lives of political prisoners. Iranian opposition group National Council of Resistance of Iran held an online event calling on the international community to take meaningful measures to save the lives of political prisoners in Iran. This follows the horrific execution of Iranian wrestling champion Navid Afkari on September 12th. Dozens of political prisoners are on death row and face similar fates. This event was attended by several distinguished politicians, including Dr. Matthew Offord, UK Member of Parliament, MP Steve McCabe, Alejo Vidal Quadras, former European Parliament Vice President, and Tahar Boumedra, former Chief of the Human Rights Office of the UN Assistance Mission for Iraq. Participants highlighted that a global initiative is needed to hold senior regime officials to account, dispatch an international fact-finding mission to visit Iran's prisons and meet with inmates, especially political prisoners. Iran's dossier of human rights violations should be referred to the United Nations Security Council for decisive action against the mullahs' genocidal regime. Iran. Anti-riot guards storm political prisoners' ward. Reports indicate that an anti-riot guard unit in Urmia Central Prison, northwest Iran, stormed the political prisoners' ward on Tuesday. This attack followed protests by prisoners over poor conditions in their ward. The prison guards attacked the inmates and ran their belongings under the pretext of a routine inspection. Resistance units pay homage to Navid Afkari across Iran. Following the execution of Iranian wrestling champion Navid Afkari, has organised anti-regime activities across the country, hailing him as a national hero and pledging to continue his path to overthrow the regime. The resistance units took to graffiti and spread anti-regime slogans in nearly 40 cities. The resistance units also installed huge banners of the resistance leaders Masoud Rajavi and Mariam Rajavi in public places. These activities are taking place while the regime has been handing out heavy prison sentences to MEK supporters. Iran. Coronavirus death toll surpasses 103,900. Over 103,900 people have died of the coronavirus in Iran, according to the MEK on Wednesday. The official death count declared by the regime stands at 23,632. The health ministry spokesperson announced the mullahs engineered COVID-19 numbers as 179 in the past 24 hours, the highest in 35 days, and 2,819 new cases, the highest in 3 months.